Carbon dioxide is not carbon. Carbon dioxide is a colorless, odorless, tasteless gas which is an indispensable food for all living things. Can you have too much of it? In theory, yes. That's what climate alarmists say is happening now. CO2 levels are getting too high. Are they right? Well, if we look at the big picture, we find something surprising. For most of the history of life on Earth, carbon dioxide has been present in the atmosphere at much higher levels than it is today. During the Cambrian explosion, when multicellular life first came on the scene, CO2 levels were as much as 10 times higher than they are today. From a big picture perspective, we're actually living in a low carbon dioxide era. The optimum level of CO2 for plant growth, for example, is 4 to 5 times what is currently found in our atmosphere. That's why greenhouse growers worldwide actually inject additional CO2 into their greenhouses. They want to promote plant growth. Likewise, higher CO2 levels in the global atmosphere will boost food and forest productivity. That will come in handy, since by mid-century, we will have to feed 8 to 10 billion people. In fact, we're already seeing the positive effects of increased carbon dioxide now. Satellite measurements have noted the greening of the Earth as crops and forests grow due to our higher levels of CO2.
Blood is fluid tissue that circulates substances through the body. Oxygen enters the lungs and passes into blood. Blood delivers carbon dioxide waste to the lungs where it is exhaled.
Nature always sucks the carbon out of the atmosphere. One example we know is the process called photosynthesis. Plants use this photosynthesis or food making to produce energy and grow. They take carbon dioxide, sunlight, nutrients from the soil, and water, then turns it all to oxygen and sugar. Most of the plants, like in the rainforest, actually help remove or clean the atmosphere of carbon dioxide. So keep planting more trees. In fact, learners, did you know that diamonds are just carbon that is compressed? But when we imagine carbon, it's pitch black, right? Well, diamond is actually a solid form of the element carbon with its atoms arranged in a crystal structure. That means with proper spacing and arrangement of carbon, you can form diamonds.